This month, we have exciting updates to share, including a new plugin for Figma, a smart assistant that will help you make the most out of Arcade, better translation options, and more. Starting with the Figma plugin. The new Figma plugin transforms static designs into interactive, clickable demos. This enables faster feedback, better collaboration, and more engaging product storytelling. Your team can use this plugin for design reviews, gathering customer feedback on new features, sharing product roadmaps, and personalizing UI for collateral and customer demos. By turning static designs into interactive prototypes, the Figma plugin streamlines the design process, enhances collaboration, and brings your product stories to life. Next up is Arcade Assistant. Our new AI assistant helps you create more effective arcades and use the product more efficiently. To start, simply click the Assistant button on the sidebar. You can then choose from rotating prompts or ask any question in the chat. It can give you recommendations based on Arcade's knowledge base, other high-performing arcades, and information captured from the recorded screens. The new viewer menu offers seamless navigation with an interactive interface for quick toggling and easy demo browsing. You can use it to change demo chapters or add a new call to action. And finally, translation improvements. We've enhanced our translation features. Now, you can export an arcade in any translated language, not just the default. When adding scripts in different languages, voiceover characters stay consistent. Moreover, the AI Translate button now translates voiceovers for previously untranslated steps, making your multilingual demos more comprehensive. With these new features, you can take your product demos to the next level. Try them at arcade.software and create better product demos today.